Alright guys, this is Alec Vaughn here reviewing a Google Slides add-on called a Slides Randomizer. So all you have to do is if you just Google Slide Randomizer, click on the first link, this is where I found it, install, bam, super easy, it's installed. You'll have to click permissions and stuff, but that's really all you do. And what the Google Slide Randomizer does is it's basically like having a deck of flashcards, which are these, and it shuffles them for you, which I think is good because I think one of the main weaknesses of having flashcards digitally on a Google Slides thing is that it's hard to not do it sequentially like this when you go through them. And we all know that that's not a very effective review strategy to just go through the same way every single time. And I mean, you can go through them randomly on your own, but it's 2020. You should have something to do that for you. And that's what this does. So all you do to do it is you go to Addons right here, and you click right here, and this is the menu that pops up. Now this, you can have on when every time you open up this presentation, it automatically shuffles it. I don't like to keep that on because it's kind of hard to tell if it worked because it does it before you, like, automatically. So it might be hard to tell if it actually worked or not. I just keep that off. So I click on this and it will stop from doing that. So pull this back up, Slide Randomizer, and randomize slide presentation, keep slide 1 as a title slide, yes, or else it'll shuffle the title slide into the deck, which you don't really want. So make sure you do that and have a title slide. And bam. And as you can see over here, they are in a different order. Now, what you can do is if you link them, so if I link these together, these specific slides, if you shuffle them by pairs, or shuffle that pair. And also, if you put a different title slide in, which is not what this is, you can shuffle that like unit as well. So if you had, like, this is for insects, and then let's say if you had one for arachnids, okay, then you'd be able to shuffle that as a different deck. So you can review, so the arachnid cards wouldn't be in the insect cards, if that would be something you would like to do as well, and not just fully randomize it. Pretty cool tool, very easy to use, and yeah, mainly for the view tool, I would think, but a very cool thing to use regardless.